Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss with you the numerical portion of kinetic gas theory and Maxwell-Boltzmann theory. I have already discussed the theory of kinetic gas theory and Maxwell-Boltzmann theory. If you want to see those videos, I will put those videos in the description box. The link of those videos in the description box. You can check it out. So today I am going to start this numerical. Calculate the kinetic energy of 2 gram of oxygen at minus 23 degrees Celsius. So minus 23 degrees Celsius was the temperature. So kinetic energy formula is E kinetic is equal to 3 by 2 nRT. Temperature in Kelvin we need to calculate. We can calculate it with the help of minus 23 degrees Celsius plus 273. So degree Celsius. It is going to give us the result in Kelvin scale 250 Kelvin. Kelvin scale was the absolute temperature that I have already discussed in my previous videos. E kinetic is equal to 3 by 2. N is number of moles. R is universal gas constant. R value, first you need to calculate the N value. N value is given mass divided by molar mass. Here I have oxygen gas. Oxygen gas, the molar mass of oxygen gas is 32 gram per mole, and the given mass means that is given to us is 2 gram. Gram cancel out, 1 by 16 mole. This is the answer of number of moles. Now, what is the value of R? R value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Temperature value is 250 Kelvin. I am writing this formula again so that I'll show you in a good manner. Kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 16 is the number of moles. 8.314 is the universal gas constant. So 1 by 16 mole. Joule per Kelvin per mole. 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into 250 Kelvin. Kelvin inverse cancel, mole inverse cancel. So E kinetic energy is equal to 194.86 joule was the answer. When I have calculated this, then I got this answer. Okay, if you will have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, now another question that I am going to tell you is calculate the total and average kinetic energy of 32 gram of methane molecules. At 27 degree Celsius. Total kinetic energy is what? Total kinetic energy is, I have already told you that total kinetic energy is 3 by 2 nRT and the average kinetic energy is 3 by 2 kBT. This is the formula of average kinetic energy. 3 by 2 kBT. Okay, so E kinetic energy, this is the sign of average. E kinetic is equal to 3 by 2 kBT. 3 by 2 into 8.314 divided by 6.022 10 raised to power 23 into 300 Kelvin, because 27 degree was the temperature in Celsius scale, so Kelvin scale is 300 Kelvin. So it is going to give us the answer 6.21 into 10 raised to power minus 21 joule. Now the total kinetic energy is 3 by 2 nRT. 3 by 2 into N. Methane molecule, this is the given mass of methane molecule, that is given mass divided by molar mass. Molar mass of methane is 16 into R 8.314 into temperature is in Kelvin 300 Kelvin. You will get an answer 340.48 to 6 Joule. The answer is 7482.6 Joule. So this is our second question, that this is our total kinetic energy and this one is our average kinetic energy. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss calculate the root mean square speed of methane molecules at 27 degrees Celsius. We need to calculate the root mean square speed. First, I want to ask you a question, that what is root mean square speed? Means what was the formula of root mean square speed? I have already discussed that URMS means the root mean square speed. URMS is equal to root 3 RT by M. Okay, URMS is equal to R is equal to 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay, 300 Kelvin. So 3 into R is 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Temperature is 300 Kelvin. What is the molar mass? Molar mass of methane molecule. Methane molecule you can calculate 12 plus 1, 4 into 1 means 12 is the mass of carbon and 1 is the mass of hydrogen. So it is going to give us 16 gram. Okay, 16 gram per mole. Okay, after calculating, URMS comes out to be 683.9 into 10 raised to power 2 centimeter per second and 683.9 meter per second. Now what I have done in this, I told this is gram per mole, per mole cancel, Kelvin cancel. So what is Joule? Joule is kilogram meter square per second square. Okay, you can change this value, means kilogram you can put here. What is, I want to show you only the units. Joule is kilogram meter square per second square. In the denominator I have kilogram. I can change kilogram into gram by putting 10 power 3 gram meter square per second square by gram. Gram and gram cancel out each other. Okay, now I have 10 power 3 in the answer, and after that if I need not to show this value. I directly show this value because after putting 10 power 3 meter square per second square in this root, in the root inside, then we have 10 power 3 meter square per second square. Okay, after calculating whole of this value I got this, and meter square after rooting it meter, and second inverse was the unit, is the unit of the URMS, means root mean square velocity. I hope you will get an idea how you are going to solve the numericals of KGT, kinetic gas theory, and Maxwell Boltzmann theory. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.